Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you a powerful Kanban task management application I built using React, Google Apps Script, and Google Sheets. Before we dive into the demo, let me highlight some key features. Drag and drop of task item across different status columns, rich task cards with priority levels, due dates, and reminders, project tagging and custom labels, external link support for each task, real-time synchronization with Google Sheets, clean, modern UI using Ant design components. Archive tasks section for completed work. Let's dive into more detail. As you can see, we have 4 columns: To Do, In Progress, Done, and Archived. Each column is color-coded for easy visualization: blue for to-do tasks, orange for in progress, green for done, gray for archived items. Notice how each column has its own icon that helps identify its purpose. The In Progress column even has a spinning icon to indicate active work. Let's create a new task by clicking the New Task button at the top. What's really cool about this form is its dynamic input capabilities. First, let's cover the basic fields: title and description, priority selection with high, medium, or low options, due date and reminder date pickers. Now, here's where it gets interesting: our Smart Select fields. For projects, we have a creatable select component that allows you to choose from existing projects in the dropdown, or instantly create a new project by just typing it. Let me demonstrate. I'll type Mobile App Redesign. It's not in our list, but I can just hit Enter and, wow, new project created and selected. The Labels field is even more powerful. It's multi-select, so you can add multiple labels. Like projects, it's also creatable. Watch this. I'll add existing labels like Design and UI/UX. Now let's create a new label on the fly. Typing Prototype. Enter. You can see we now have 3 labels attached to our task. Let me create a complete task to show this in action. In the title, I will put Design Mobile App Wireframes. In the description, I will type in Create initial wireframes for the new mobile app. Set priority to high. Let me quickly fill in the rest of the form. And hit the Create button. And there it is in our To-Do column. Looking at our task card, you can see the priority flag in red for high priority, the project tag in the top right, the description preview below the title, due date and reminder tags, custom labels we added, and the link icon that takes us directly to any external resource. Each card also has edit and delete actions at the bottom. Let me demonstrate the powerful drag and drop feature of our Kanban board. Watch how seamlessly we can move tasks between different status columns. I'll take this task and drag it from To Do to In Progress. Notice how the columns highlight as I hover over them, providing clear visual feedback. You can move tasks to any of our 4 status columns: To Do, In Progress, Done, or Archived. What's happening behind the scenes is fascinating. Every time you drop a task into a new column, the status automatically updates in our Google Sheets database. Let me show you this in real time. I'll open the spreadsheet side by side. Now, watch the status column in our sheet as I move a few more tasks around on the board. See how it instantly updates? This real-time synchronization ensures that your data is always consistent between the Kanban board and the spreadsheet. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. Just drag, drop, and everything else happens automatically. No need to manually update statuses or refresh the page. If you are enjoying the video, then please consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the like button. Need to update a task? Just click the edit icon. All the original information is loaded, and we can make any changes we need. Let's update the priority and add another label. The changes are reflected immediately on the board. When a task is complete, we can move it to Done. And if we want to keep our board clean while maintaining a record, we can move completed tasks to the Archived column. Now let me show you another powerful way to view your tasks. Besides the Kanban board, we have this comprehensive table view. As you can see, it provides a clear overview of all tasks in a structured format. Quick scanning of due dates and priorities. Visual indicators for status and priority levels. Direct links to external resources. Easy-to-read labels and project assignments. Let's explore the powerful filtering options at the top of our interface. First, we have a search bar where you can quickly filter tasks by title. Let me type Design, and you'll see it instantly filters to show only design-related tasks. We also have multiple filter dropdowns. Let's filter for only high-priority tasks. Or we can view tasks that are specifically in progress. Let me show you how to view tasks due between specific dates. Label filter. For example, we can filter to see only tasks with design and UI/UX labels. Project filter. Want to focus on just the website revamp project? One click and you're there. The best part is these filters can be combined. For instance, let's find all high-priority tasks in the marketing project. You can manage all your dropdowns from this dropdowns page also. It features the same CRUD functionality to create, update, and delete items. Here you can manage projects and labels used in the application. Moving on to the most important sections. How do you set this up for yourself? First of all, make a copy of this spreadsheet from the link given in the description below. Then open the script editor by clicking Extensions and then Apps Script. Click the Deploy button in the top right corner and select New Deployment. This opens up the deployment configuration screen where you'll need to make a few important choices. Select Web App as your deployment type. This is crucial as it makes your application accessible via a URL. In the configuration settings, you'll need to provide a description, something like V1, and then make two critical choices. Set Execute As to Me. This means the app will run with your permissions. And for Who Has Access, select Anyone with Google account if you want to allow other users to access the app. After clicking Deploy, Google will present you with a permissions screen. This is where Google asks you to authorize the application to access your Google Sheets and perform the necessary operations. Review and accept the permissions. Once the deployment completes, you will be presented with a web app URL. Open it, and you can see that our application is live now. If you are a developer, then you can get the source code by clicking the link given in the description box. If you found this project useful, then you may wish to support this channel. You will find the various ways to support this channel in the description box. You can contact me for further customization requirements. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.